Hi guys, good afternoon. This is the part 2 of the video that I took the other day. So this is our place. Actually, this is the house of our sister, Annalyn. Yeah, so I'll show you around. Hold on. So that's it. So yes, she has so many plants. You can see many plants. I'll just spin a bit for you to see that there's so many plants. So look at that. Plants over everywhere. Yeah, I do like this. The drone is very so annoying. So just never mind with the call that oh, see, look, there's so many plants over there. Just spin bit, a little bit. Yeah, that's it. That's it. So that's just ignore the hanging clothes over there. All right. So yeah, look. So that's the in front of the yard. You know, that is the backyard. That is in front of the. Okay, I'll just spin a bit again so you can see. So here it is. For you to see, all the leaves are moving because it's there's a breeze, air breeze. So the trees that you see, it's tambis. I don't know in English. So I need to go down a bit and I spin it a bit. So there it is. So many trees. That's why we have good breeze here. So that's me on the pink one. Yeah, that's it. There's a chicken. It's typically a country place. And you can see there, over there, that's the gazebo, the kitchen. Yeah, so that's the kitchen. If you can see, like that. Alright, so I need you to look over on that side. Alright? So I just need to go down a bit. Okay, let's go. It's just going down a bit because there's a trees. Yeah, trees. Go. Alright, slowly. And be careful with the trees because there's so many trees. And alright. Okay, just straight ahead. And I'm doing it slowly. Yeah, slowly. Yeah, slowly. Yeah, that's it. Oh, it's against the light. You can hear the chicken. Okay. I just did. Yes, Saturday. Yeah, that's sis Annalyn waving. He's waving. She's waving. All right, because they're going somewhere. So I need to spin a bit again. All right. So this is a tour of our place, Charing. So I need to just a little bit forward, and then I go head. Let's head back. It's back. Forward. Not. All right. Make it that. So you can see there's so many dry leaves. Just never mind the dry leaves. All right. Okay. No, not back. We have a hammock for us. If it's really so very hot, we can just go there and then, uh, time to relax and rest. So, alright, I'll just go slowly because there's so many. The drone doesn't want to go. Okay, I'll just go down a bit, okay? For you to still be safe. So there's a dog. Alright, go. Go. And then, well, so go again. Alright, let's go, let's go. Waro. Waro. Yeah, let's go. That's our kitchen. Mm-hmm. Alright. Go and go. I need to go up a little bit. Because there's a banana tree. Yeah, here it is. So let's go. Alright. We have chicken. We have chicken. This is a tour. Oh. Okay. We'll go there. We'll go. Alright. Not that one, not that one. Okay. It should be like that. Oh, no, not that one. We have chicken also. Alright, straight ahead. Alright. So this is the place where we live. It's many trees, many coconut trees. Look, we have chicken as well. Alright. Oh, what's this way? Spin a bit. Alright. Just straight ahead. Woo-hoo. Okay. Oh, where are you going? Where are you going? Over here. Okay. Oh. So we have another hammock. That's okay. There's a dog. Alright. They're playing. Alright. Straight ahead. That's the piggy pen. And you can hear the crow. So this is the place that sisters have. Okay, over there. Okay. Go straight. And there's a tree. So many trees. You can see the trees over there. It's against the light. I don't want to go to the light. And here. Alright. Oh, slowly. Slowly, slowly. So that's our way going to on that side. So, alright, so go on. Go on. So this is the way. Alright. There's so many crows. And then, no, on the other side, that's the pen. Piggy pen. That's the way going to the highway. And, oh, no, sorry. So, oops. You can see trees, more trees over there. It's really against the light. So I just do like this, no? A little bit. Oh. See, look at, it's against the light pala. OMG. I need to do this. Here. Coming. Coming. Whoops. Oh. Alright. Let's see. There's so many trees. And, oh, agoy. I think I need to stop it here because so many trees. It will be so dangerous or scary of the drone. Alright, come back. I need to go on this. Oh. Ay. Oh. Dogs are, yeah, alright. So that's it. And look at me. I'm here. Where am I? Where am I? Yeah, I'm here waving. So I just want to show you around here. So this is our place. No, it's sister's place. Yeah, rather. There's so many trees here. You can see many trees. Big trees actually. Because Manong is planted all these trees. See, look. And it says that it's red colors because near to the tree. So I need to go like this. And I need to go up. Let me see. Oh, there's a crow. So I need to go up. Alright, you can see on the high up above. Oh. Alright. Oh, it's very windy. So windy. Wow. What a lovely place. So you can see the
battery level is low.
battery.
Aircraft will return to the home point in 10 seconds.